Good afternoon, everyone. This is Supervisor Steve Miller from District 3. I want to let you all know that we'll be moving from this location temporarily to 1821 N.Trekell Road, Suite 8, just around the corner from here. They are going to gut this whole facility and remove the walls, and we're going to get new air conditioning duct and new plumbing and types of upgraded features that is sorely needed here. If you need our help, please go to the new location. Again, we'll be closed between the 12th and the 19th. We'll be open in the new location on the 19th. It's been a great facility, but it's time to move on.